Launching a website, app, or online business? Don't forget to make a privacy policy. Privacy laws like the GDPR, CCPA, CalOPA, and many others around the world require you to have a privacy policy that discloses how you collect and use people's personal data. And your website may be collecting visitor data without you even realizing it. For example, if your site uses cookies, Google Analytics, Metapixel, or even if you're simply requesting names and emails for a newsletter, that counts as collecting personal data. I'm Hannah, and today I'll show you how you can create a customized privacy policy in just minutes using Termly's generator. Writing a privacy policy from scratch can be overwhelming, time-consuming, and risky, especially with privacy laws and AI regulations continuing to evolve. Generic templates help, they still require a ton of effort and knowledge. And AI-generated privacy policies are subject to hallucinations and other shortcomings, and they might leave out important information or include falsities that don't actually reflect how your business collects and uses personal information. With Termly, all you need to do is answer a few simple questions, and we'll automatically generate a custom privacy policy tailored to your responses. Let me show you how it works. You'll answer questions such as what types of personal information you collect, if you use cookies or analytics tools, and if you work with any third-party services. If your business uses AI tools or services, you can also disclose those practices in your privacy policy. Privacy compliance can be confusing, but the questions in our generator are simple and feature drop-down menus, multiple choice, and free response answers. There are also helpful tips and answers to frequently asked questions featured on nearly every page, all written by our legal team and data privacy experts. When you're finished creating your privacy policy, simply click Publish and then choose how you'd like to add it to your website or app. Depending on your plan, you can use HTML, code snippet, or even a Termly hosted URL. If you need help along the way beyond the included tips and FAQs, we have plenty of resources covering privacy policies, privacy laws, and data privacy best practices, along with a dedicated support team ready to assist. Termly also offers a full suite of policy generators to complement your privacy policy, including generators for terms and conditions, disclaimers, cookie policies, and many more. And our solutions don't stop at policies. As a Google-certified consent management platform with gold status, Termly also helps businesses with their cookie and consent needs, offering customizable cookie banners, preference centers, and many more features. So, instead of trying to write a privacy policy yourself or relying on a generic template, you can create one that's customized to your business in just minutes. Get started for free today at termly.io.